Welcome in the YouTube channel Learning with Iman. Today we are going to talk about how to introduce yourself in Arabic. Hello, it's nice to meet you. Hello and nice to meet you in Arabic are must-know phrases. And any introduction will start with these words. It would be like this.
مرحبا، سعدت بلقائك.
This is simple. To say my name is in Arabic, you just need the phrase.
أنا اسمي
Then say your name. For example, if the name is
إيمان.
it would be like this.
أنا اسمي إيمان.
What's your name? If you want to ask someone about his name, you will say what's your name? But in Arabic you will say
ما اسمك؟ ما اسمك؟
Here's how to say how old you are in Arabic. For example, if the old is 20, it would be like this. I'm 20 years old.
عمري 20 عاما. عمري 20 عاما.
To say how old are you in Arabic, you just need the question.
كم عمرك؟ كم عمرك؟
Notice that hello means
مرحبا. مرحبا.
it's nice to meet you means
سعدت بلقائك. سعدت بلقائك.
my name is means
أنا اسمي. أنا اسمي.
Notice that what is means
ما
what's your name means
ما اسمك؟ ما اسمك؟
how old are you means
كم عمرك؟ كم عمرك؟
listen.
مرحبا، سعدت بلقائك. أنا اسمي إيمان. عمري 20 عاما.
So now you know how to introduce yourself in Arabic. See if you can introduce yourself below. Leave me a comment. I read all comments. Learning with Iman.